At a time when the Bretton Woods Institution, the International Monetary Fund, is meeting custodians of African economies, Uganda, along with other 12 countries, have joined the BRICS bloc as a partner state, and this is not a coincidence, according to experts. Stephen Kaboyo, a financial analyst and managing director at Alpha Capital, believes that Uganda's decision to join BRICS gives the slowly growing bloc some strength.
Any country developed, developing or least developed understands the language of diversification of markets, creating alliances, promoting trade, cross-border trade, and investment opportunities.
However big the opportunities of joining could be, some critical questions such as a common currency and what backs it up, among others, remain unanswered by the bloc that wants to check the US-dominated global financial structure.
Is it going to be a digital currency? Is it a blockchain? Will it be a digital, a currency backed up by an asset such as gold? Who will be the issuer? Is there going to be creation of one central bank? So all those questions have not yet been answered.
While fears are on the horizon that the money markets in Uganda could feel the impact of this move to the east, experts hold a different view.
Really no impact. In the short I don't see any impact.
The dollar is firmly woven in the economic fabric of Uganda, with the results and international trade transactions done in dollars.
Let's look at the disruptive nature it's likely to bring and our preparedness to engage on the other side.
Founded after the 2008 financial crisis, countries like Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa came together to form a bloc that would check the US's dominance of the global financial system. The challenge to the BRICS, according to experts, is the lack of a common agenda that may push its dream to check the dollar-based global financial system into oblivion.
So we continue to ask what exactly is in it for Uganda as it does join the BRICS bloc. Now, opportunities could be many that are expected to expand e-commerce and stimulate the growth of trade between the BRICS countries. So we look at these BRICS opportunities. We're talking access to markets and opportunities with investment, strategic partnerships, as well as those in oil and gas, and then increased leverage there as well. And in numbers that matter, let's get to that. Numbers that matter, we're still looking at Uganda making that decision to join the BRICS deal and what that means in many terms. BRICS membership, that's these numbers that we are walking through with you. 10 permanent members, then you've got 13 new partner states. Then we look also at the population, because when we talk population, we're talking markets, and the population of the bloc has a total population of 3.3 billion people, which is about 41.13% of the global population. That cannot be small, no matter what you drink. And as well, we get to the BRICS GDP distribution, and that is about 35% of the global GDP. That's a very, very huge number. And then carbon emissions, 50% of the global carbon emissions. There we are still talking BRICS. Now, we do speak to Hakim Wampamba, who is here in the bit of business, and he seems to understand these things. Hakim, walk us through how this is likely to develop and how Uganda will position itself in this, the long and short.
Well, it's quite a hard question to answer, but maybe from the lenses of what the motive certainly is, because Uganda is certainly a partner state and not a member, and as to whether the BRICS will be able to curtail or curb the ever-growing dominance of US is a question that you and I can continue to ponder on, given the fact that the Federal Reserve currency has always been the dollar. Will it cease being? Yes. When? We don't know.